Hi everyone, Adarsh here. So this is a continuation video of functional series where we are just talking about all type of functions in JDK 8 inside the Java util dot function package. So earlier we talk about in the earlier videos we talk about function, int function, long function, double function, and then we talk about two int function, two long function, and in this video we're going to talk about two double function. So basically a two double function is a function where it uh, accepts a object type, any type of object, and it will do some processing on that object, and it's gonna return a double type of output. So double type of output in the sense it takes any type of object, it does some processing, and it return a double value for us. So I have done some sample example, and we're gonna go I'm gonna go through you I'm gonna take you from with those examples. So what I have done, I have just created a function which is two double function which accepts a integer value and a instance of two double function, and on that two double function it's gonna call apply as a double. So so what it does basically, as I told you earlier, it's gonna accept a object, and it does some processing inside this apply as a double function, and it's gonna return a double value out of that. So first approach, we have a multiple approach here. In the first approach, this is a traditional one where we just provide an implementation to the interface and override the methods, and then save the reference and then call the method by passing of values. In the second approach, what we have done, we have just optimized little bit. We use anonymous classes where we have just provided anonymous implementation of two double function, and we override the apply as a double function where we are accepting a integer value and doing some processing and returning a double value out of that. So basically one thing which, so in this approach I have done some correction. Instead of integer, it should return a double value. So I have in the processing, what we are doing, we are just expecting a integer input and expecting a double output after the processing. And then in the second approach, we have used an anonymous implementation of two double function where we have just override apply as a double method. We are just providing a integer value and returning a double value after the processing. But from the JDK8, we have a feature of lambda expression where we are just accepting integer value in the method and returning a double value. So what it does basically, this method lambda expression doesn't accept the complete method. It just accept a relevant code which is required to complete the functionality. So we have just copied this piece of code and provided lambda expression and provided as a input to the method. Then in the further, we optimize this thing by removing the data type, return statement, and curly braces and semicolon from that. Further, we optimize because this is a single input, so we can remove these braces. So we have removed the braces also out of that, and this become a most optimized lambda expression for us in the fifth approach. So if I just execute this piece of code, I'm gonna get a output 5 times, which is similar but with the different approaches here. So that's how we can just use the different sort of functions inside the. So functions basically functional interface are something which has a static method and default method annotated with the @functional interface, and it has one abstract method. So and the functions basically are something which accept some input and do some processing and provide a output out of that after that processing. So that's how the JDK8 functions are meant for. So please leave your comment, subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna save this piece of code into my GitHub repository, which is Adarsh Kumar Singh 83 slash java underscore, I'm gonna go into my repositories and java underscore jc, so where you can see my for each loop as well as a lambda expressions uh, examples are already pushed there, so you can pull it up and you can play around with this. So I'll come up with something new and interesting in the JDK 8. Till then, take care. Bye.